Alright, today I'm going to be working on my 2005 Hyundai Sonata. It's the 2.4 liter engine, 4-cylinder. I'm going to be replacing the brake pads. I've had some squealing going on over the past few days, and it should just be my squeal bars, the pads wearing out and the squeal bars hitting the rotors and telling me I need to change them. So go ahead and follow along. Alright, so you've got two 14mm bolts, one here, one down here, and then there's a 12mm bolt right back here that connects your brake line hose. 14mm bolt here, 14mm bolt up top. And the 12mm bolts just right back here. You're not going to be able to get that caliper off unless you take off this bolt, otherwise you're going to damage your brake line there. Should be able to just pull that right off, and I'm just going to set it right on top here of my rotor. Just use a little screwdriver flathead to help pull those off. So you can see that squeal bar was hitting the rotors there, causing that squealing. So I popped my hood, took off my brake fluid reservoir cap, and now I'm ready to collapse my piston. Or collapse the caliper for that matter.
Dad, can I help you with the car?
Yeah.
But where's my tool?
I think there are hammers in the toolbox, in your sandbox. And I'll just slowly collapse that caliper. Now you can see that's all the way collapsed there. It's pretty dirty around that caliper, so I'm going to clean it up. Now we're ready to throw on our new pads. The one without the squealer bar goes in the front. Next I'm going to take I've got some brake grease here. I'm actually just going to put a little bit right on my finger. And that's going to kind of go where any contact is going to be made with the caliper and the brake. Those are sliding nice, so I'm not going to worry about greasing those up. Now you can just slide your caliper back over. And basically just put it on the reverse way of how you took it off. You got the two 14mm bolts and then the 12mm bolt holding the hose. And then you'll repeat that process for the other side and put your cap back on, and then get in the car, and I would push on the brakes a couple times. They'll feel a little mushy at first, but they will tighten back up, and once they feel tight, I would take them on a test drive and make sure everything looks good, feels good, and you should be all set. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe. Have a great day.